Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is my first ever market event and you're gonna come with me, so come along. Let's go. The event starts at 2. They want me to be there at 12:30 setting up, and it's currently 9:45, so we've got some time. I will be leaving here at least by 11 because we're gonna go stop and eat something real quick before the market. But also, let's get ready because I look terrible. Let's go. All right, we are ready to go. The car is packed up. We did this last night, just put everything in there, and then this morning I just had a few things to bring with me into the car, and that's it. We're ready to go. It's 11:15. We're gonna go eat something. We're gonna go eat something and be there by 12:30. So record the setup, which I was gonna have my mother-in-law help me with, like the whole setup, but she had to go do something else. So hopefully Jason can help. If not, it's fine. I'll be there at 12:30 and the event starts at 2. So I'll still have time. All right, we've got our stuff on the wagon, and I've got some stuff right here as well. And she came along. Hi, Audia.
Hi.
So this is the area I got to work with. Let's disassemble everything. Compartiendo lo que entiendo, si te inspiras yo me enciendo. Entre stickers y reseñas voy creando mis pequeñas obras simples pero mías, se hacen grandes si confías. Pink and glitter, dale que sube el ranking. La pulsera y la pantalla ya no me escriben, pero subo mucho más si se suscriben. Pink and glitter, cada día yo lo vivo. Glitter, dale que sube el ranking. Si te quedas esta historia sigue y sigue. La pulsera y la pantalla es lo que me piden, pero subo mucho más si se suscriben. No es deprisa, es intentos. Cada fallo, un nuevo invento. Si estás ahí, lo siento en serio. Tu apoyo cambia el universo. Pink and glitter, dale que sube el ranking. La pulsera y la pantalla es lo que me escriben, pero subo mucho más si se suscriben. Pink and glitter, cada día yo lo vivo. Pink and glitter, dale que sube el ranking. Si te quedas esta historia sigue y sigue. La pulsera y la pantalla es lo que me piden, pero subo mucho más si se suscriben. Hello, I am back. It's already almost 10 p.m. and after the market we did go ahead and had some food, and then we went to just do some shopping. And yeah, I want to show you guys, well, at least tell you guys how it went today and how much I made for my first ever in-person indoor market. Let me read off the list that I have. I was literally just taking notes of everything that was selling, or the things that I did sell. The first item that I sold was 3 of the minis, which were 3 geckos. I did end up giving her a free little mini snake, so that was $5 for the 3 minis. Then the second thing was 2 snakes for $10 each. She did grab 1 color of each. Those are really cute. Third thing was a starfish fidget. The fourth thing was the star fidget, which is the one that you lift up. It's like a little toy fidget thing. And then the fifth item was another 3 for $5 minis, which was the 2 geckos and 1 snake.
My sixth item was a pair of polymer clay earrings with resin on top. It was one of the really nice marble, like translucent sets. The seventh item was an infinite cube for $6. The eighth item was the purple articulated turtle for $8. And my last item was an octopus for $6. So it wasn't much. The problem was that there was a protest outside, so they did close the road and literally no one could really get in. So they did expect from 75 to 100 people. If 10 people showed up, that was saying a lot. So I guess it is what it is, but it was my first market. We did go ahead and practice as much as we could the day before, well, a few days before, setting up my area and seeing how everything would look. So that helped for our setup, for it to be quicker and just easier. But yeah, I ended up with $90. I did buy that square reader, but everyone literally just gave me cash or they just cash apped me. So maybe it wasn't needed, but I have it for the future. So I did sign up for 3 markets and I will be getting ready for those because those are bigger than the ones I had today. So it is what it is. It was nice and it was like pretty much like a test run. So let me know if you guys have had an in-person market and let me know how it went and how was your first time. Bye.
Okay, let's go.